Hello everyone, welcome to another session. So today I will be explaining how n number of bytes are added. So we let's going to our program. We are importing two header files, that is reg51.h and kjcserial.h. Starting off with our void main, this is where our main program starts. So here I'm gonna since we're gonna add n number of bytes, we're going to take the bytes from the user. So here I'm declaring how many bytes the user is asking me to add, and I'm declaring a empty variable called sum, where I'm going to store the value of adding n number of bytes. I'm declaring a x variable for my for loop, and I'm declaring a rough array with 20 variables, and a y which I'm going to use for my carry flag checking. So this is my timer mod, this is my timer starting, this is my serial configuration, and here, so this whole thing is for my timer configurations. And here, starting off with a infinite while loop. So as I told, we have to add up all the n terms and then store it in an empty variable sum. So I'm declaring sum is equal to 0. Why? I'm going to use it for my carry flag. And here I'm going to ask the user to give me how many number of bytes he wants me to sum up. So, and I'm going to store that, and here my for loop starts. So this one is going this for loop is going to start from 0 and goes all the way up till where my user is asking me to add. So I'm asking the user to add, for example, if the user says he wants to add three numbers, 3 bytes. So I'm asking him to input all the 3 bytes one after the other, and I'm gonna store in my variable here, in my array over here, the array I declared here. So the number the user is giving me, I'm gonna store it in this array, and this function is used to add the uh, n number of bytes. So I'm gonna say sum is equal to sum plus array. That is, each number is imported in my array, so that is gonna get added. And this part is for my carry flag checking. And here my output is gonna be displayed. So let's see how the execution goes on. So I have already exported a hex file. I double tap and I import my hex file here. Sum of n terms. I import it here. Let's see how it works. So here it's asking me for number of how many terms you would want me to add. So I'll give 4. It's asking me each number. So I'll give 1 2 7 6 4 5 3 2. So sum of 1 2 7 6 4 5 3 2 is 0 0 ff. So I make another attempt. Say I'm gonna give 3 terms. So I'm gonna give 5 4 3 1 2 0, and gives me the sum. Thank you for watching.